Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/12 by 1/16. We'll break this down into simple steps to ensure it's easy to understand. Firstly, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/12, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 12 is the denominator, the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 12 equal parts. Now, take a look at the second fraction, 1/16. Here, 1 is the numerator, and 16 is the denominator. This fraction represents one part out of 16 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we simply multiply their numerators together and then their denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 12 times 16 gives us 192. Therefore, 1/12 multiplied by 1/16 equals 1/192. That's our final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/192 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.